Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Everyone, as you know, this is our just new adventure story. So just imagine this, enjoy this, learn from this, okay? Learn from this. And as you know, guys, this is my last video of today. I know you can guess it, okay? I know you also watched my previous video. So welcome back to another last video of today on 5 December 2024. Let's start. So just imagine this, okay? Today we're diving into a hilarious and heartwarming adventure inspired by MrBeast. Okay, a giant cardboard slider sounds crazy. Let's break it down. First off, cardboard is not just for boxes, it's a canvas for creativity. As we start building this slide, we learn that innovation often comes from the simplest materials. It's a reminder that with a little imagination, even the most mundane things can become extraordinary. Now let's talk teamwork. As I gather friends to help, I realize that calibration is key. Each person brings unique skills. Some cut, some design, and gathers through just bring snacks. This teaches us that working together can turn a wild idea into reality. Plus, who does not love a good snack break? As we construct the slide, things get wobbly. It's not perfect, it's cardboard after all. But here is the lesson: failure is part of the journey. We love of the mishaps and adapt our plans. This resilience is what makes every adventure worthwhile. Finally, the moment of truth arrives. We climb up and take that exhilarating ride down the slide. Laughter fills the air as we realize this goofy creation. What is goofy? What is mean of goofy creation? If you know, so must write in the comments. If you don't know, then paste your question mark in the comments, then I will tell you. Okay, my viewers, brought us closer together. It's a reminder that joy often comes from shared experiences, no matter how silly they may seem. So, what is the takeaway? Embrace creativity, value teamwork, learn from your mistakes, and most importantly, don't forget to have fun. Life is an adventure, and sometimes all you need is a pile of cardboard to create unforgettable memories. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more epic adventures. Let's keep building those dreams one cardboard slide at a time. Bye for now.